If you have a list of standard services or products that you regularly use for deals or sales quotes, this tutorial will show you how to add them to your CRM using the catalogue page. The catalogue can be found in the More section of the header menu. It's a dedicated page where you can manage your list of services or products, which we call items. We'll look at how we can use them in a few different ways shortly. You can add an item easily by clicking Create and filling out the name, description, as well as the costs involved. Once created, you can always edit, delete, or make a duplicate using the clone option. While items can be standalone goods or services, they can also be grouped together. These are called bundles, and you can create a new one the same way as you would an item. This is handy if, say, you have a package deal that you regularly offer to clients. You can give it a name and description, save it, and start inserting your items. Now let's look at how to use items and bundles within a deal. With the deal opened on the Contact or Pipeline page, click Insert to show the full list of your products and services. You can display bundles and items separately, view them all together, or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Select as many as you need and click Insert when you're done. The deal will be built for you with everything pre-populated, including the total costs. Any of these fields can be edited afterwards if you need to make adjustments, and their order can also be rearranged. With your deal now fully populated, you can create an email template complete with the quotation to send to your contact, push an invoice to QuickBooks, Sage, or Xero, or use filters to pull up specific contacts according to the products or services that they're purchasing.